Hello. I'm doing a video recording. This is a good test because the microphone's working. And Elaine's watching wrestling in the other room with The Rock is on. I'm sipping my coffee. I want to show you these are my blue eyes. You can see they're blue and bloodshot. And I'm going to put this on YouTube. See if it works. I think this is better sound. Microphone's better. An idea of my addition. Room I built here. Into this room. And if this works, then I can do more. Some jelly beans. Black Easter egg jelly beans. Okay. Good. Don't make me chew in front of you, but they're good. Me not stupid. Remember that. Chew like a horse, I know. It's a supper. Denture. I have a partial right here. And ever since I got it, been messed up. Used to work in television and radio, and now that I got old and lost my hair, ended up a school superintendent. But that's life. So, Merry Christmas, Happy Easter, Happy 4th of July, Shalom, Happy Bastille Day, Auf Wiedersehen, thank you. I thank you, my mother thanks you, my brother thanks you, my sister thanks you, my cousins thank you.